This is the most extraordinary journey of your life. Meet Nur-Sultan. Dip into the atmosphere of a modern megacity. Nur-Sultan will show you high technology. Incredible hospitality awaits you. Different cultures are united here. And tell you about the wealth of the Kazakh people. It's not just a modern city. Take a look at its traditions. In the heart of Eurasia, in the capital of Kazakhstan, Nur-Sultan, life runs at its own pace. Do not waste time and go explore the city. A simple stroll brings an unforgettable experience. Everyone here will find something special for themselves. There's an unknown world of an amazing nature. Nur-Sultan, find your inspiration.